Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the JLPT test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 JLPT questions later. We are going to follow these 4 steps. These are today's kanji. Today's theme is seashells. We used to use seashells as a money, so all those kanjis related to money. The meaning is shells. There's no on for this kanji. Kun is kai. Look at the kanji. You have me and katakana ha. The meaning is buy. On is buy, easy to remember. Kun is kau. Radical is shell, kai. Look at the kanji. You have number 4 and kai. The meaning is pour. On is hin, bin. Kun is mazushii. That's e adjective. Radical is kai. Look at the kanji. You have minute and kai. Meaning storage, store. On is cho. There's no kun for this kanji. Radical is kai. Meaning wealth, property, money. On is sai, zai. There's no kun for this kanji. Radical is kai. Look at the kanji. Left side you have kai. Right side you have katakana no o. Words and expression. The first one, shells. Kaigara. Kaigara. Example. ビーチできれいな貝殻を見つけた。found 見つけた beautiful shells きれいな貝殻を at the beach ビーチできれいな貝殻を見つけた。Next, shopping 買い物 example 1週間分の買い物をする do a shopping 買い物をする for a week 1週間分の買い物をする。Next, trade. Bye-bye. It's not you're saying goodbye, it's different. Bye-bye. When you look at the meaning of the kanji, it makes sense. The first one is sell, the second one is buy, trade. Expression. 午前の株の売買は9時から11時半までです。Morning stock trading 午前の株の売買は from 9 a.m. 9時から to 11:30 a.m. 11時半までです。Make sure that from and to get the right place. 午前の株の売買は9時から11時半までです。Next, the gap between the rich and the poor. 貧富の差. I should have said poor and rich because the first kanji means poor and second pu is the rich. Example. 日本でも貧富の差が広がってきている。The gap between rich and poor. 貧富の差が has widened. 広がってきている in Japan too. 日本でも貧富の差が広がってきている。Next, Armenia. 貧血、貧血. Look at the kanji meaning. Poor and blood. Makes sense. Example. 女性の5人に1人は貧血です。1 in 5 women. 女性の5人に1人は has anemia. 貧血です。女性の5人に1人は貧血です。Next, shaking one's foot unconsciously. We call it 貧乏ゆすり. 貧乏 means poor. 貧乏ゆすり. Example. 緊張すると貧乏ゆすりをする癖があります。When I'm nervous, 緊張すると I have a habit. 癖があります。shaking my foot unconsciously. 貧乏ゆすりをする。緊張すると貧乏ゆすりをする癖があります。Next, save money, deposit money. 貯金する。貯金する。Look at the kanji. 貯 is store. Kin is money. Makes sense. Save money. Example. 毎月3万円貯金しています。I've been saving 貯金しています。30,000 yen every month. 毎月3万円。毎月3万円貯金しています。Next, purse, wallet. 財布、財布。Example. 新しい財布を買う。buy, 買う。A new wallet. 新しい財布。新しい財布を買う。Expression, master of none. We said, 器用貧乏. 器用 means who is very handy, who can do everything like just fine without struggling. We call it those people 器用な人. And then they combine 貧乏, 器用貧乏 means master of none. In English, jack of all trades and master of none. Let's take a look at how you use it in the conversation. あなたはいろいろできる人だけど、気がついたら器用貧乏と言われないようにね。Ouch! Don't be 器用貧乏. Be master of something. Maybe master of kanji. Step 3. Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. Shells, 貝殻 Shopping, 買い物 Trade, 売買 Poverty, 貧乏 Poor, 貧しい Anemia, 貧血 The gap between poor and rich, 貧富の差 Save money, 貯金 Wallet, 財布 JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。